Hey guys, welcome back to the quick fix series. Today I have another computer that came over. Apparently it's completely dead. The owner told me that he tried to power it on, it doesn't power on. So let's clean it up first, because probably it's never been opened before. And it will also allow me to check the components if there is any physical damage, such as capacitors broken on the GPU or something like that. Perfect, and for cleaning I'm gonna use compressed air, probably alcohol, and then to check the computer I have a postcard. It's gonna give me the error codes if there's an issue after the post. And a power supply tester, I will leave the links on the description below. And that's it. So take component by component. If you don't remember where to plug all the cables, such as the case cables, just take a picture and then it's easier to put them back together. And for cleaning the motherboard, just a toothbrush, compressed air, alcohol, or for instance I'm gonna use contact cleaner. Then I have some alcohol wipes. I'm gonna wipe the CPU, the heatsink, clean it properly, and then you will apply the thermal paste again once it's gonna be clean. And that's it. And do the same with the GPU. It was clean. I changed the thermal paste, checked capacitors, everything seems correct. And now we'll put everything back. I will put the postcard, and luckily I have a spare power supply here, so I'm gonna put another power supply. I know it's working properly as it's brand new. Plug everything and let's see if it posts. So let's power on the power supply. We'll take a screwdriver to show to the pins, as there is no start button. And I will check if the postcard is telling me something, such an error. Everything is spinning and everything seems correct. So now we'll plug a monitor and let's see, hopefully it boots and it solves the issue. Bingo! So when I tried to use this old power supply before, it was giving me a weird whining noise, and I could see it was dead. The smell also was telling me it was probably burned or something. So I didn't want to try again with the same one. I didn't want to short anything. And I will see with my power supply tester if the voltages are correct. But I guess it's not even gonna work. I don't think it has power at all. I think it's completely dead. So let's give it a try. Everything is plugged. So now I'm gonna plug the power cord, and as soon as you hit the power button it should illuminate and read all the voltages. As you can see, this is completely dead. It's not even powering on. Everything is plugged properly, so I can say this power supply is dead. And I will show you with the new Seasonic power supply. Unfortunately we cannot read the voltages there, but it's supposed to read the 12 volts, the 5 volts, everything. And as you can see, it's working properly. I never recommend to open a power supply, as sometimes it still holds power. and you could actually die. You could get a discharge from it. I just replaced once I found in a power supply, and never ever. I'd rather just buy a new PSU than playing with this. So now I put everything back together. I lost some footage, and fortunately I ran out of battery. I've changed the thermal pads on the north bridge and the south bridge as they were getting very hot. You can see the new Seasonic power supply is there. Everything booted properly. So I went into Windows and ran some stress tests, checked the voltages, and everything was fine. So that's it. Another computer is fixed. Once again, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.